Are you wondering which music production software is better? Today, we are diving into FL Studio and Pro Tools. Both of these tools help you create music, but they have different strengths. FL Studio is popular for its easy to use interface and powerful beat making features. It's great for electronic music and hip hop producers. On the other hand, Pro Tools is known as the industry standard for recording and mixing. It's often used in professional studios. Let's take a closer look at FL Studio. This software offers a pattern based workflow. It's perfect for creating beats quickly. You can use various plugins and samples to enhance your sound. The visual layout is intuitive, making it easy for beginners to jump in. Now, let's talk about Pro Tools. It's designed for recording and editing audio tracks. You can work with multiple tracks seamlessly. Pro Tools offers advanced editing tools, making it ideal for mixing and mastering. It might have a steeper learning curve, but it's worth it for serious audio work. So, what are the key differences? FL Studio is more focused on beat making and electronic music. Pro Tools excels in recording and audio editing. If you want to produce tracks quickly, FL Studio is your best bet. But if you're aiming for high quality audio production, Pro Tools is the way to go. When it comes to features, FL Studio shines with its MIDI capabilities and built in sounds. Pro Tools offers robust audio recording and editing tools that professionals love. In terms of pricing, FL Studio generally offers a one time purchase, while Pro Tools often requires a subscription. This could influence your decision based on your budget. In conclusion, if you are a beginner or want to make beats, FL Studio is a great choice. If you are serious about recording and mixing, go for Pro Tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.